I'm gonna take a screwdriver and I'm gonna use it like a chisel. And broke my fitting. Okay, you caught me. Having a sip, relaxing and enjoying myself. I just finished filming the podcast. And I gotta tell you, me and my team have had so much fun this year because there's been so many things happen in plumbing, and we've had a great opportunity to bring a lot of it to you. We love what we do. Let's take a look back at all the clips that made this year so memorable. Cheers. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside this PV pipe and cut scores in it. I'm in Texas. We do things just a little bit different. Now, it doesn't happen often, but I find holes every now and then. So we're gonna say, okay, that's a hole.
A few moments later.
Now, look, I specialize in slab leaks and leak detection, so I'm gonna tell you more about this later. But guys, you can walk up and look at a sheetrock wall and tell if there's a leak. If you're a homeowner, if you're a plumber, it doesn't matter. You can look at the wall and see if there's water in it. That sheetrock is gonna get wet. So what he does, he literally walks in, starts cutting open the walls where all the manifolds are or where he thinks they are. Some of these cuts look like they're 8 or 10 feet long. Don't get me wrong, he kept it within a foot or two of the ground. But he goes through, he starts cutting all these openings in the wall, starts cutting lines apart and capping them off. And as you can see from the video, well, he uses shark bite caps. Okay, so now that we've read the directions, we're gonna shake it for a little while. I wanna make sure that we get it shaken up really well. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just kind of sweep across the middle. I'm not gonna spray the whole thing like the tape. We go from one end to the other end. On the tape, we pretty much covered the entire pipe. I'm not gonna do that here because I wanna know exactly where the leak is. And there's really not a way to mark it if I cover the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it really good. I'm gonna get out a rag here in just a second. I'm gonna wipe all 3 of these pieces of pipe down just to make sure we've got it clean like the directions say. Bye, Barbie. Damn, she's a tough bitch. All this slag, crap, junk, gradu, and we're gonna do it real slow. Oh! Phil Swift, help me! Right now I've got 4 pieces of chicken in here. We're gonna run this thing, see what happens, and then we'll see if the girls won't eat it. On her shoe, but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead, let me get her hair right. It's all twisted around her neck. Hate for that to happen. Oh, and see, we didn't even have her fixed up. I've got another short piece in here, so I've pulled out the copper, pulled out the CPVC. Again, let's try it and see what it does on the pecs. Nope. Phil, it's not working.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
So that's about what it would look like. And one of them was a swivel. You get it in, you spin it around. Well, and maybe you get a little too much pressure here in this little hole.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It doesn't go down in there far enough to really do anything. Do not try this at home. I am a trained professional. Collins Street Bakery? Yes, Corsicana? Absolutely. I would like to order one original deluxe fruitcake and get it as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. So what?
Merry Christmas.
Wow. So, okay. And I gotta tell you what, they are known for having the most amazing fruitcakes in the entire world. I think that freaking delivery driver ate part of my fruitcake. Hey, y'all stop the girl leaving the front desk.
Hey, don't run from the Lord! Where are you going?
1001, 2. Ah! 1002, 1003.
Hey Roger, do you have like 1 or maybe 2 minutes?
Give me just a minute. Ah!